Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the subtraction and addition using the nines and the ones complement. So here we know that the complement numbers are used to perform the subtraction operation. We do the subtraction in terms of addition, as we know that a minus b is equal to a plus minus b. Let us see how the arithmetic operation addition and subtraction are done using the nines and the ones complement. So possibly we have addition and subtraction using ones, twos, nines and tens. The last video we have seen the twos and the tens complement. Now we are seeing the ones and the nines complement. So why you have grouped ones and nines is ones and nines have the same common rule. Same way tens and the twos complement has the same common rule to apply based upon the end around carry is available or not. Now let us see with an example how the nines complement is done when during the case 1. What is the case 1 is the subtrahend is smaller than the minuend, where that means the second number which is lesser than the first number. That means we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. So naturally the answer will be positive. So generally as we do normal subtraction, we cannot subtract 9 from 1, so borrowing 1 from here. So 11 minus 9 is 2, then here 3 will be there, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Now the answer is 512, which is positive number. Now same subtraction, how it is done using the nines complement. So we know that complement is applied only for the negative numbers. So this 841 you have to write as it is. No need to confuse about as the first or second number. Always the negative numbers has to be given the complement value. So 841 is positive, write is as it is, and 329 is the negative number. Find the nines complement for 329. So how to find the nines complement for any number? Subtract each digit from 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So 670 is the answer of nines complement of 329. So once it is complemented, it becomes positive. So we are going to add. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1, 8 plus 6 is 14, plus carry 1 is 15, so 1511. Here we can see the subject here, there is an overflow in the bit. That means the number of digits exceeds. So 1 is the overflow here. So this is called as an end around carry. When the end around carry occurs, it will be added to the ones digit of the resultant number. When we'll add the carry to the result obtained previously, result obtained is 511 plus 1 is 512. Now we can cross check the answer that is we got in the normal subtraction and the subtraction using the nines complement. So the answer is 512. This is the case where the smaller number is subtracted from the bigger number. Now the next case we are going to see about the case 2, where the smaller number, from the smaller number we are going to subtract the bigger number. So here 841 is the number which is the smaller one. We are going to subtract 983 from the smaller number. So we have to subtract as usual. 3 minus 1 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1. So the sign of the biggest number is negative, so the negative number is put, that is minus 142. Let us see how the same operation is done using the nines complement. So as we know, we always have to find the complement of the negative number. So here 841 is positive, write as it is, and 983 is negative. Then find the nines complement. How to find? Subtract each digit from the 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6, then 9 minus 8 is 1, and then 9 minus 9 is 0. So 016 is the nines complement number of 983. So now what you have to do, we have to add. As we know that when the number is complemented, it will become positive. So 1 you have to just add. 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 8 plus 0 is 8. So here there is no carry. When there is no carry, it says it is assumed that there is no that means the number is negative. When there is no carry, the number is negative. So we have to find out the nines complement of the result. Why? Because we have used the nines complement in the process. So we have to find out nines complement. How to find out? 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So 142, and the result is negative because we are complementing the answer. So the answer got is minus 142. We can cross check with the regular subtraction process. So this is how in the second case where the subtrahend is greater than the minuend. Here in this case result must be negative, so I have to find out the take nines complement of the result. This is how the nines complement is used to perform the subtraction, both the cases, case 1 and case 2. Now let us see how the operation of subtraction is done using the ones complement. So in general, in ones complement or nines complement, the cases are two cases. When you subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, the answer is positive. So if any end carry occurs, that carry has to be discarded. That carry has to be added. In nines and ones complement, the extra carry has to be added to the ones digit. Okay, so now likewise when you are coming to the ones complement number case 1 and case 2, we are asked to find out x minus y and y minus x. So x value is 1010100 and y value is 14011. So first case x minus y, here x is greater and y is smaller. So x minus y is the normal subtraction where we are getting the positive answer. Okay, so now you write x as it is, and for the negative number y take the ones complement because we are using the ones complement subtraction. So now convert. How to find the ones complement? Change all zeros to 1. So here for this value 0, then 1 1 1 1 0 0. So that is the value which is the complement of y value. Then we have to add these values. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 with the carry 1, it is forwarded. So 1 plus 1 is 0, and then the carry 1 is forwarded here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is double 1. So 1 is put and 1 is carried forward, and this 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, and that 1 plus 1 is 0 and the carry 1. Now we can see there is an overflow in the bit. So this overflow bit has to be added to the LSB. In nines complement we say it should be added to the ones position. Now we are saying it's the LSB. LSB means least significant bit. Here this is the least significant bit position. So once you add this, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then again other things you have to copy as it is because there is no values over here. So the answer x minus y is 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, now let us see the case 2 where we are going to find out the y minus x. That means we are subtracting the bigger number from the smaller number. So how to do this? But the concept is same. Always find the complement of the negative number, which is a negative number minus 1010100. So y value write as it is. So 14011 is the y value. Now x is, you have to find out the minus x, which is the complement. So the complement is 0101011. So it is written over here. So once you found the complement, you have to add the values. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Actually 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 and the 1 is carried forward. So that 1 plus 1 is 1 1, which is 1, and the carry is brought to 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 0 plus 0 is 0, then 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. Here the sum what you got in the second case, there is no carry. If there is no carry means the number is negative. So what you have to do, you have to find out we have to find out the magnitude, and we have to put the negative sign. So here the ones complement value is actually 1 For this ones complement 110 triple 110, the ones complement is 001 triple 001 and the sign is negative. So this is how the ones complement is done for the cases 1, case 1 and case 2, where we are subtracting the smaller from the bigger and the bigger from the smaller. So that's all the concept of arithmetic operation using ones complement, nines complement. Hope it is easy to follow, and thanks for watching.